Hey guys, welcome back. Neil here. We are back with another video, and today we're going to talk about how you can get a free pet. And this is from CoinGecko. They are running a giveaway right now, and I think it's big opportunity for those who don't have a pixel pet. Of course, they are very helpful. They give you extra range, extra storage. You can teleport to lands without spending energy. So those are just the few benefits that you can have if you have a pet. But in the future, it will have more use cases like PvP and dungeons. They might have some add-ons or effects that would help you progress more. So far, CoinGecko Pets have a lot of stats in them. So if we're gonna check CoinGecko Pets right here, okay, if we're gonna check this one, it has a lot of luck, speed, and then strength. And if we total every points that it has, so let's just say 63 and then here 86. So a normal gecko pet actually has around 220 points, which is rare, and you can only get when you join events like this. So later on we'll discuss about that. Comparing it with Dogo only have around 120 to 150 total points. Even though I've used all jumbo potions, it only has around 116 points. If we're gonna compare it with the gecko pet, it has a lot of points, and yes, you can also sell it for a very high price. So the floor price right now for CoinGecko is around 5,560 Roan. That's around $17,000 if you're gonna sell it. So yeah, I think it's a lot worth it to join this event. What you need to do is just log in to the link that I will be sharing in the description. If you don't have a CoinGecko account yet, you can sign up using your email, and then every day you can get points for you to get candies. Okay, so day one it's gonna give you around 10 candies, then day two it's gonna give you 20 candies, then day three you're gonna have plus 30 candies, and once you have a total of 100 coins, then you can go to this rewards tab, and right here guys you can click on Pixels Pets NFT giveaway. Once you have a total of 100 candies, you can click on redeem now, and you will be qualified for the raffle and giveaway of Pixels Pets NFT. They are giving around 15 of these. There are different colors this time. You can sell it for a high price or you can collect it. Still have a few days left, so guys, make sure you always collect your candies. It's gonna give you more candies as you log in every day.